Hi student, in this part we see about nomenclature of alkanes. We know that alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons and it contains single bonds only. The general formula CnH2n plus 2. If we varies that n is equal to 1, 2, 3, we get the member of alkanes family. Okay, so what is the IUPAC rule for that naming of alkanes? Root word plus suffix. This rule is suitable for only linear chain structure only. Okay, so I make a table like this for your understanding purpose. For number of carbon atoms, so here 1 2 3, that number of carbon atom varies. The molecular formula, so we can get the molecular formula of the alkanes from the general formula. We know that general formula is CnH2n plus 2. If we vary n is equal to 1 2 3, we can get the molecular formula. Structural formula, it is the structure of the alkanes. Condensed form, so how we shortly represent the structure of the alkanes? So naming, root word plus suffix gives the full name of the alkane. So first, so number of carbon atom is 1. So I substitute that n is equal to 1 in that molecular formula. Cn molecular formula is CnH2n plus 2. So here I substitute n is equal to 1. C1 H 2 into 1 plus 2. So how many carbon atom? Only one carbon. How many hydrogen atom? 4. So what is the molecular? If number of carbon is 1, that molecular formula is CH4. So next is structural formula, the structure of CH4. So first we draw the carbon. How many hydrogen atom is there? 4 hydrogen. So carbon should, keep on your mind, carbon should surrounded by 4 covalent bond. And next, condensed form. So condensed form is nothing but the short form. So how we shortly represented? So we represented CH4. This is the condensed form of this structure. And next, name of alkanes. So root word. Here first, what is that? Number of carbon. Number of carbon is 1. So what is the root word? 1 is, number of carbon atom is 1. That root word is meth. So suffix word. All the alkanes, the suffix word is ane. So root word plus suffix, what is that name for CH4? Meth plus ane, methane. Okay, next, number of carbon atom 2. So we substitute n is equal to 2 in the general formula. We get C2H6. So how we draw the structure of C2H6? First we draw the carbon skeleton. Carbon skeleton is nothing but, first we draw the carbon atoms. So how many carbon atom is there? 2. So first we draw the carbon atoms. First, 2 corner carbon atom should be filled with hydrogen. So hydrogen is 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So in this structure, 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atom. Here 3 and here 3. Okay. So this structure is correct. So and keep on your mind, carbon should surrounded by 4 covalent bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this carbon is surrounded by 4 covalent bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How we shortly represent the structure? For example, first we take this carbon. So this carbon is surrounded by how many hydrogen atoms? 1, 2, 3. So we write CH3. And next carbon. So in these carbon surrounded by how many hydrogen atoms? 3 hydrogen atoms. So shortly we represented CH3. This is the short form of this structure, CH3, CH3. Okay. So number of carbon atom is 1, 2. So 2 means what is that? Root word eth. That suffix verb ane. So finally, root word plus suffix ethane. Okay, this is the name for C2H6. Okay, and next carbon atom 3. So what is the molecular formula? We can get the molecular formula from general formula. So we substitute N is equal to 3. So we get C3H8. And what is the structural formula? First we draw the carbon skeleton. How many carbon is there? 3. So first we draw the carbon. Okay. And next, how many hydrogen is there? 8 hydrogen is there. First, each corner is filled with 3 hydrogen atoms. Okay. So first I fill this corner, and next I fill this corner. So corner atom attain its stable electronic configuration here, that it is surrounded by 4 covalent bonds, so it attain a stable electronic configuration. And this corner carbon atom, it's also attain a stable electronic configuration because it attain a stable electronic configuration by sharing its electron with hydrogen and carbon atoms. And remaining, so I use that 6 hydrogen atoms. And remaining, how many hydrogen atom is there? 2. Now the center carbon atom is also attain a stable electronic configuration because it's surrounded by how many covalent bond? 4 covalent bond. So how we represented in the shortly? So first carbon atom contain how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. So first CH3. And second carbon atom contain how many hydrogen? 1, 2. CH2. And third carbon contain how many hydrogen atoms? 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the condensed form of this structure, CH3, CH2, CH3. Now what is the root word? How many carbon is there? 1, 2, 3. So carbon atom is 3 means root word prop. Suffix ane. So root word plus suffix propane. Okay, next. Number of carbon atom 4. So we substitute N is equal to 4 in the general formula, Cn H2n plus 2. So now we get C4H10. So first structural formula, first we draw what? We draw the carbon skeleton. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon is there. So we draw the carbon skeleton. And next we focus on the corner. Okay. So corner carbon first filled with 4 covalent bond. So 6 hydrogen I filled in the 2 corner. Remaining, how many hydrogen is there? 4 hydrogen is there. These 4 hydrogen is filled with occupy in the middle carbon. So check all the carbons attain a stable electronic configuration or stable form. Yes, because the first carbon surrounded by 4 covalent bond, and second also, third also, and fourth also. Okay, so this structure is correct. So how can we write the condensed form? First carbon is surrounded by how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen, CH3. Second carbon 2 hydrogen, CH2. Third carbon CH2. And fourth one, it contain how many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3. So CH3. This is the condensed form of C4H10. Okay. So what is the naming? So root word plus suffix. Root word, 4 carbon is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means what is the root word? But. And suffix ane. So but plus ane, butane. This is the name for C4H10. Okay. And next 5. So we substitute N is equal to 5. We get C5H12. First we draw what? Carbon skeleton. How many carbon is there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first we satisfy that corner carbon. 1, 2, 3. hydrogen atoms. Okay. So 6 carbon. Remaining, how many carbon is there? How many hydrogen is there? 6 hydrogen is there. This 6 hydrogen occupies the center carbon. Now check all the carbons contain 4 covalent bond. Yes, the first carbon, second carbon, all the carbons contain 4 covalent bonds. So this structure is correct. And next, how can we write the condensed form? First carbon contain 3 hydrogen, so CH3. Second carbon 2 hydrogen, so CH2. And third CH2. And fourth CH2. And last one CH3. This is the condensed form of this structure. And how many carbon is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon is there. What is the root word for 5? Pent. Plus suffix ane. So what is the name for that compound? Pentane. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Next, number of carbon 6. So what is that molecular formula? C6H14. We get the molecular formula from general formula. Okay. So first we draw the carbon skeleton. So how many carbon is there? 6 carbon. So first we draw the skeleton. And next, a corner should be filled with 3 hydrogen. And the remaining center carbons filled with 2 hydrogens. Let's check. 6 carbon is there. 14 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, this structure is correct. All the carbons surrounded by 4 covalent bond. So what is the condensed form? CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Okay. So how many carbon atom is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means what is the root word for that? 6. Hex. So this is the alkane. So what is that suffix word? ane. Hex plus ane. What is that? Hexane. So this is the first 6 member of alkane family. Okay. So in alkanes, all the carbon should surrounded by single bond only. Okay. So and each carbon should surrounded by 4 covalent bonds. Okay.